In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for social listening in 2025, a comprehensive guide to mastering social media monitoring. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, this tutorial will help you understand how to effectively manage and listen to social media conversations using Hootsuite. Let's begin by navigating to the Streams tab in Hootsuite. Think of streams as customizable feeds that allow you to keep an eye on specific social media activities. This feature is pivotal for keeping your finger on the pulse of your audience. Once you're in the Streams tab, you'll want to click on the Add Stream option. This will prompt you to select which social network you want to monitor. Whether it's Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, choose the network that aligns with your monitoring needs. After selecting the social network, it's time to pick the specific profile or page you intend to monitor. If you're managing multiple profiles or pages, make sure you choose the one most relevant to your current goals. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can customize the type of content you want to monitor by selecting different stream types. There are several options to choose from, including mentions, which track when your brand is tagged, ensuring that no shout out goes unnoticed. Next, there's the search option, which is perfect for custom keyword tracking on Twitter. This is especially useful for keeping tabs on industry trends or competitors. Furthermore, you can add hashtag streams such as #customer_feedback or #yourbrandname to see how these are being used across social media. This can offer insights into how your brand is being perceived or discussed. Additionally, you may want to include my posts to monitor your own content, scheduled to keep track of upcoming posts, and the inbox, which gathers direct messages and comments for easy customer communication management. Now that you've set up your streams, it's crucial to understand what they tell you. Here comes the role of the Analytics tab. This powerful tool allows you to dive deep into the data and understand key insights. By analyzing the information gathered, you can identify which topics are getting the most engagement. This is invaluable for tailoring your content to what resonates most with your audience. Moreover, analytics is your gateway to spotting patterns in feedback, be it recurring complaints or praise. This information is vital for refining your strategies and understanding the voice of your customers. Finally, with all of this data at your fingertips, you can improve your customer service response time. Responding quickly and effectively not only helps with customer satisfaction, but also boosts your brand's reputation online. That wraps up our tutorial on using Hootsuite for social listening in 2025. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering social media monitoring and leveraging it to enhance your brand's presence online. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.